Picture yourself in the 2013 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. This upscale Tucson crossover is ready to make even the most routine errands feel enjoyable. Its meticulous quality of construction, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, European sensibility, and smooth, refined ride infuse every journey with confidence and satisfaction. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat, Bluetooth connection, stability control. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.